Hey, what's up? So I'm working on the Traxxas 4 Tec, and in this video I'll be installing the Hobbywing Max 6 speed controller and these Flopack capacitor pack, along with the telemetry for the radio link receiver. This will read the battery voltage directly onto the transmitter so I can see exactly what it is. So the speed controller is going to be mounted right here. I'm gonna have to cut these posts off so it'll fit flush. I might have to trim a little bit right here on these pieces too. This capacitor pack, I'm still not 100% sure on where I want to mount this, but I'm thinking I'm going to mount it to this battery strap. That way it sits out of the way and it'll be close with the wiring anyways. So I'll get started on soldering these all together. I already took one of these off. I'll show you how I did that. This is actually a Dremel tool to get the bits off. And it just so happens it fits in here perfectly. Just push down on here and get a screwdriver, and I can pry it off of there. And I'm going to go ahead and unsolder the negative right here and the positive on this side, and that way I can attach the wiring right in here. So I was going to just unsolder this wire and then reinstall the wire. I tried 2 different soldering guns and neither one is getting hot enough, so I don't know what they used. So I'm just going to cut this off. So I also need to connect this, but this uses XT60, so I'm just going to connect this straight to the wires when I connect the capacitor pack. And this one is for the receiver, just to see the voltage, not to power the receiver. And I use these style wire strippers so I can strip directly in the middle of the wire. Alright, so I have these all twisted together and I'll go ahead and solder it. Alright, I'll go ahead and do the other one. Alright, so I have this one done too. I'll go ahead and install new connectors. So I'll go ahead and start cutting the chassis to make the speed controller fit. Alright, so that's all smoothed out. And this fits in here now, so I'll go ahead and mount it. Now that that's installed, I'll go ahead and plug the motor in. And I think I'm going to mount this way, just because of the way the wires worked out. And for that I'm going to use some double stick tape and a zip tie. So I just wanted to test fit it with the batteries real quick, make sure the wires all reach, and it looks like everything's okay. So I'm going to leave it like this because I'm still working on it. I have quite a few upgrades I'm still going to be doing to it. I'll be mounting the switch on top of the receiver box. That's going to be it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.